Hollywood Pets Durban July took place on the 6th of July, and on this video I will show you guys who was in attendance and what were they wearing. So if you're interested, then stay tuned to this video. But before going to it, I need to first request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. I am certain that we're all interested to see Somizi and Linamtoba in their outfits this year like they do every year, but unfortunately they did not attend this year. But Somizi and Lina not attending did not stop Jessica Nkosi from doing what she does every year. I think we can all officially give Jessica a title of a Queen of Durban July, because wow, you know, from 2022 she's been killing it. If this was a competition, honestly, I would have given this competition to her. She really killed it and was in line with the theme. Oh, by the way, this year's theme was Ride the Waves. That is why everyone looked like water, and most of them took pictures around the beach, which is why you can safely say that Jessica killed it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Stella Shows was also in attendance. I personally did not feel a costume, but people really loved it, and she was even trending on Twitter for it, so I guess it was good. Another celeb who killed their appearance was Thando, and here's how they looked. And again, if this was a competition, I would have given number 2 to Thando. Look, I know nothing about fashion and stuff, but this, ladies and gentlemen, was fire. Another celeb who killed their appearance was Lamiz. Well, I'm sure all expected that one. I mean, Lamiz knows exactly how to please her fans fashion-wise, so I did expect her to look stunning as always. Now, Makeke. Fans of Makeke were not really happy with his appearance. Well, if you ask me, I see nothing wrong here, but fans believe that whoever started Makeke failed to meet the Makeke brand and his personality. I guess fans expected a little bit of Kasi touch there and there on his outfit, you know, since Makeke is a Kasi boy, which I think is correct because we loved him for his authenticity and the fact that he's relatable. So do comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what do you think about Makeke's outfit and his looks in general in these pictures. You know, another person who killed her looks was Nandima. I just think that her cameraman failed here. Otherwise, her outfit was also fire. Same WhatsApp group as Liema. You know, I don't know what, but something was missing in her appearance, man. And for someone who was sitting at home like me, because I only know about all of this from social media, I think Liema was fantastic. And this was her first job in July, so I'm hoping that she'll do much better next year. And my comment on Liema goes to Zintlekwa Imane as well. I think she also looks stunning, and that we should wait and see how she'll look next year. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, there were many celebs there. I can mention Nkosi Williams, Jojo and her husband, but no, man, the husband looked a little bit out of tune. But then it doesn't matter. Doromongi killing white, Mahu, and wow, she covered the whole body this time. That's a first. Bushle Samuel looking nice also. Guys, the CIC and his wife were also in attendance. Now let's talk about this one, ladies and gentlemen. I need to give you something to think about. How cool would it be having Malema as a president? I think we would be the coolest country in the whole world. The guy looks so cool and chilled, man. But then I'm not here campaigning for the EFF or anything. I think she would fit perfectly since it's the government of national unity and all those things, you know? Like, just let him be the president, man. Give the guy a chance. Oh, and guys, I almost forgot Loot Love. Now, this was one of my favorite appearances for the day. I really think Loot Love looked good. So, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you know, think about it. This video will be 24 hours long if I could comment on each and every celebrity. So, I'll just stop it here. You can also comment in the comment section with your favorite celebrity on this year's Durban July. So, with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed content in this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.